Today we're comparing budget and premium headlights for VL Commodores. First off, the premium headlights weigh about 400 grams more per light. Next, you can see the glass has much better refraction. The ripples are deeper and there's more refracted areas. The globe retainer springs are thicker and stronger, and the retaining areas are much better quality. The main housing is better quality. The alignment adjustment knobs are a better design for easier adjustment. The clips that hold the glass on are stronger, you can barely flex them by hand. The budget ones flex easily. This is where the difference really shows. The budget reflector has many imperfections and matte areas, and is very poorly made. The premium reflector has a smoother and more uniform finish, plus it has the bright spot shield which the budget one does not even have. If you want the best finish for your build, you need the best parts. Grab some premium VL headlights today from Holden Auto Parts.